Good morning, students. Hope you all are doing well. And the chapter 1 is clear to everybody. Now we are moving to chapter number 2, that is addition and subtraction. First, we will cover addition part. After covering addition part, we will move to the subtraction part. Addition part consists of simple addition, its properties, and its story sums, then mental sums. First of all, let us add these numbers. 3,45,464 plus 2,32,538. The numbers which we are adding are called as addends. So the numbers which we are adding are called as addends, and the result which is obtained after adding is called as sum. The result which we obtain after adding is called as sum. In class 3rd, when we were doing addition of regrouping, you were writing here carry. But from class 4th, you have to do lot of practice and you have to avoid writing carry. You need to put carry, keep carry in your mind only. So let us add this. 4 plus 8. Big number in mind. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2, 1 carry is there. 6 plus 1 carry, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. 0, 1 carry is here. 4 plus 1 carry, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 0, again 1 carry. 5 plus 1 carry is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. No carry is there. So 4 plus 3 is 7. Again no carry is there. 3 plus 2 is 5. So the answer which we obtain after adding these two numbers is called as sum, and that is 5,78,002. Remember one thing, whenever we are adding two numbers or three numbers in addition, the sum is always greater than the addends. And now you have to solve these questions and you need to practice a lot. Now moving to the story sum. Story sum means word problem. First of all, you have to comprehend the word problem. You have to understand the word problem. A large public library has 23,456 books in English and 7,25,608 books in other languages. So there are two types of books given. Now what you have to do, how many books does library have? You have to calculate how many total books library have. How you will be able to calculate? Only when you will add these two numbers. The simple way of writing the statement is number of books, English books. Number of English books is equals to 23,456. Other statement will be number of books in other languages. 7,25,608. Now you need to add these numbers. Whatever will be the result, that will be your total number of books. Clear? Now moving to the properties of addition. First property is adding 0, or its other name is additive identity property. Additive identity property. When you add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. When you add 0 to any number, the answer is the number itself. 0 plus 34 is equals to 34. 697 plus 0 is equals to 697. So 0 doesn't make any difference. Moving to the next property, that is order property, or its other name is commutative property. It means if you change the order of the numbers, order of the addends, if you change the order of the addends, the answer will be same. Means the sum remains the same. For example, 47 plus 13 is equals to 13 plus 47. Let us verify this. 47 plus 13 is equals to 60. 13 plus 47 is also equals to 60. So, if you change the order of the addends, the sum remains the same. Moving to the next property, that is called as grouping property, or its other name is associative property. Its other name is associative property. Now, what does this mean? 11 plus 15, put it in a bracket. We have made the group of these two numbers, plus 20 is equals to 11. Now, 11 is alone here and we have grouped 15 and 20. Here we have grouped 11 and 15. Here we have grouped 15 and 20. Now let us check this number. 11 plus 15 is equals to 26. plus 20. Here 15 plus 20 is equals to 35. Let us again add the numbers. 26 plus 20 is equals to 46. 11 plus 35 is equals to 46. So the answer again it remains the same. So the sum remains the same. So grouping property means you can change the groups, but in both the cases the answer will be the same. Same example is here. So we need not to solve this. We can do it mentally. Moving to the fourth property, that is called as adding 1. Adding 1, when you add 1 to any number, it gives the successor of that number. It gives the successor of that number. For example, 8649 plus 1, it comes out to be 8650. And that is the successor of this number. Mental ability. 8460 plus dash is equals to 8460. So in which case the answer, you need to name the properties here. So in which case the answer is same 8460 when you add 0. So adding 0 property or additive property. Second example, 7525 plus 100 is equals to dash. Here it is 100. As you can see, in 1's place 0 is there, no change is there. In 10's place again 0, no change is there. In 100 place 1 is changed. So we will move here. 1's place remains same, 10's remains same, 100. 5 is changed by 1, so 5 will become 6 here. Rest all digits will remain the same. Moving to next, 5118, 5118 plus dash is equals to 2163 plus 5118. Which property is this? Where the order is changing? Order property. So similarly this you need to name the properties. Thank you.